vodka sauce with spaghetti. I should say spaghetti with vodka sauce. Welcome to Pub Travels. So we're gonna do a vodka sauce, which is actually a hot sauce from Gindo's, the Spice of Life. And we'll go ahead and walk you through the entire process, and hope you enjoy it. The Gindo Spice of Life vodka sauce, hot sauce, and a nice glass of red wine to go with it. Rendering down the bacon, because we're going to use that bacon fat for our shallots and garlic before we hit it with the vodka. We are making a vodka sauce, right? We'll let that go while we enjoy another sip of wine. Just want it to be crispy enough. It's foaming up real nice. It's usually a sign that you're getting to a nice, good cook spot. It's really foamy, which is nice, but you see the color start to change there? This will crisp up as it rests. We want it to be just kind of nice and crispy. Just another couple of seconds here. Rest of this bacon. You do want to use a little bit of this bacon fat. You can actually maybe spoon in a little bit more bacon fat. There we go. That looks really good. Shallots and garlic. And the garlic we don't want to burn, so we're just going to do this quickly. We'll turn the heat down and we're going to deglaze with some vodka, because we are making a vodka sauce after all. Actually turn the heat all the way down. It's going to happen quickly. Just want to soften those shallots up a little bit. The garlic will continue cooking in the sauce. It's really nice. All right, I'm going to put in a pinch of oregano. It's a really nice aromatic. I really like it a lot. Just to toast it, we're going to actually add a little more oregano as we build the sauce. But I love how that looks right now, so we're going to add our vodka. Let's basically deglaze our pan. Now I can turn the heat up a little bit so we can cook off that alcohol. And you want to smell it to make sure you've got the alcohol cooked off, otherwise it might be a little too bitter. But I like to keep it moving so the garlic and the shallots don't burn. Just about there. No garlic in the aroma. I'm going to add almost all of this. Actually, we will add all of it. Now our secret ingredient, Gindo's vodka sauce. So it should be delicious on its own, and I am going to actually taste it. It's just a little spicy. All right. So we bring this up to a simmer. Just get everything incorporated. Hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little pinch of salt. A couple cracks of some fresh cracked black pepper. Let's taste it. That's nice. I think I have the salt and pepper right there. I'm just about ready with spaghetti with vodka sauce. Pancetta or prosciutto. Pancetta would be really nice, but we had bacon in the house. Vodka sauce. Alright, I like to finish my pastas with a little bit of nice first cold press olive oil. Make sure we don't go too crazy with it, but just a nice little drizzle. Beautiful. That looks very nice. We're gonna hit it with a little fresh parmesan or Giano. Never be too skimpy with that. And we'll finish with some fresh parsley. You know what would be really nice is a couple of nice little tomatoes. All right, there you have it. Vodka sauce with spaghetti. I should say spaghetti with vodka sauce. A little Parmesan cheese. We've got some bacon in there. And we have the Gindo Spice of Life vodka sauce, hot sauce. Let's give this a try. That is really nice. Just a very common vodka sauce, pretty basic, pretty simple, easy to do. And we've added the Gindo Spice of Life vodka sauce, hot sauce to it. Kind of takes the place of chili flakes, if you will. Really nice flavor, but as you take a bite, you get this really nice kind of warmth, sort of in the back of your throat. It's not hot and not spicy. Can't wait to actually try this on some chicken wings. That's delicious. Really good. Really happy to be sharing this with you guys. These guys are just a great company. Small mom and pop. They've been around for about 11 years. And really happy with just kind of watching them on social media and everything they're doing to promote their company. They're doing a great job. But again, going back to a basic vodka sauce, you can't go wrong. That fresh parsley is just so nice and bright. It's not as creamy as some vodka sauces, but it doesn't have to be. The flavor's all there. That's awesome. It was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching Pub Travels. Please click like, subscribe, and share. And come check it out next time. We'll see you. Thank you. And a nice glass of red wine to go with it. There you go. Now it's pasta time.